All right, next up, we've got the Flyin Miata door bushings. So these are, I believe, 3D printed. They say carbon fiber. It's really light, pretty hollow is what it feels like, but it's sturdy, so it should be fine. But what they claim is about a 3% rigidity on the door. So let me show you guys the stock setup. Are these kind of flimsy, super flimsy, like rubber pieces. They pretty much go right where the door meets the door hinge meets the rocker. Yep, right here. So it kind of slides in, and with the rubber, it just kind of flimsy, and you can see as I close it, you get a lot of movement. You still get a lot of movement here. So what this is supposed to do is eliminate that movement, at least by 3% stiffness is what they claim. So pretty easy, should be really quick to install. We've got probably a 12mm socket. Actually, it might be a 10. Yep, 10mm socket for that. Let's just loosen that up here. Cool, that is free. So let me do a little side-by-side comparison with the bolts out. They are pretty much obviously identical in shape. As you can see, literally not even putting any force in it, this thing literally is flimsy. Like the most hard part is the back here where the bolts in or the bolts go in. So yeah, it'd be a nice upgrade. I think about $35 plus shipping. I also went ahead and ordered these this hardware kit. Or you should be able to use your stock ones if you wanted to, but I'm not entirely convinced that these are stock. They look kind of weird. They might be, but I just definitely like fresh hardware if I can. So definitely like these are one piece and they go straight in right here like so. So we've got the stock one here. You know, actually it's not that much movement, but you know, it's still more flimsy because it literally contorts super easy to the side. So it goes just like that. And there's actually a lot less, not a lot less, but just enough. Every little bit counts on a Miata, so just enough. Cool. As well is to not have these tight. So you want to kind of leave them loose so that the door hinge can actually kind of move them to where it needs to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to hand tighten them. Now so loose that they're just gonna fall up and down, but they're also not too tight that it's not gonna move. So let me get them tightened in. And then I'm gonna back it up a little bit. That's a little too loose there. There we go. So still got a little bit of play to move around, but not too much to where the door won't close. So let's see where it should be. Let's see if the door can kind of move it to where it needs to be. All right, that should be good. So now just tighten these up and do the same to the other side. And yeah, we'll see if there's any difference there. Sweet, driver's side is done. Good to go. Nice and easy. They don't have torque specs for them, so just don't over tighten them because they are nylon, carbon reinforced, whatever, 3D printed. So just be careful. Just nice and snug. And that should be good. Let's test the rigidity. Oh yeah, dude. No movement at all from this side. A little bit of in and out, but up and down, not too much. Let's go back to the passenger side. Go up and down. No movement up and down. A little bit up, in and out, but that's a little bit. I might want it a little bit tighter for the in and out, but for what it is, it's pretty good. Just a little bit more stiffer. Like I said, Miatas, every little bit counts. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.